Chapter 3, Qualitative Characteristics. Qualitative characteristics, letter A, are considered either fundamental or enhancing. Letter B, contribute to the decision usefulness of financial reporting information. Letter C, distinguish better information from inferior information for decision-making purposes. Or letter D, all of the choices are correct. Ang answer ay letter D. All of the choices are correct. Accounting information is considered relevant when it, letter A, can be depended upon to represent the economic conditions and events that is intended to represent. Letter B is capable of making a difference in a decision. Letter C is understandable by reasonably informed users. And letter D is verifiable and neutral. So, yung answer ay letter B. So, relevant is capable of making a difference in a decision. The ingredients of relevant financial information are letter A, predictive value and confirmatory value. Letter B, predictive value, confirmatory value, and timeliness. Letter C, predictive value, confirmatory value, and materiality. Letter D, predictive value, confirmatory value, and completeness. So, yung answer, dalawa lang yung ingredients ng relevance. So, ito yung predictive value and confirmatory value. So, ang materiality ay sub-quality lang ng relevance. So, kaya ang answer ay letter A. What is the quality of information that gives assurance that it is reasonably free from error and bias? Letter A, relevance. Letter B, faithful representation. Letter C, verifiability. Letter D, neutrality. So, yung answer ay letter B, faithful representation. So, di ba may tatlong ingredients? Yung faithful representation, completeness, neutrality, and free from error. Which is the best description of faithful representation in relation to information in financial statements? Letter A, influence on the economic decision of users. Letter B, inclusion of a degree of caution. Letter C, freedom from material error. And letter D, comprehensibility to users. So, yung answer ay letter C. To achieve faithful representation, the financial statements, letter A, must have predictive and confirmatory value. Letter B, must be complete, neutral, and free from error. Letter C, are understandable, comparable, verifiable, and timely. And letter D, must possess all of this. So, yung answer ay letter B. Must be complete, neutral, and free from error. Yung letter A ay ano yan, relevance yan, di ba? Ingredients ng relevance. Yung letter C naman, yan ay enhancing qualitative characteristics naman. So, kaya ang answer ay complete, neutral, and free from error. So, yan yung ingredients ng faithful representation. The financial accounting information is directed towards the common needs of users and is independent of presumptions about particular needs and desires of specific users. Letter A, relevance. Letter B, verifiability. Letter C, neutrality. And letter D, completeness. So, ang answer dyan ay letter C, neutrality. So, dapat neutral yung ating financial information kasi yung mga users natin ay magkakaiba yung needs nila or kung bakit kailangan nila yung financial accounting information. So, dapat neutral. The economic substance of a transaction shall prevail over the legal form. Letter A, form over substance. Letter B, substance over form. Letter C, relevance. And letter D, completeness. So, ang answer ay letter B, substance over form. The enhancing qualitative characteristics of financial information are letter A, comparability and understandability. Letter B, verifiability and timeliness. Letter C, comparability, understandability, and verifiability. Letter D, comparability, understandability, verifiability, and timeliness. So, ang answer ay letter D. So, yung sabi ko sa inyo, tandaan ninyo, enhancing qualitative characteristics, VCAT. V for verifiability, C for comparability, U for understandability, and T for timeliness. Financial information exhibits consistency when letter A, accounting procedures are adopted which smooth net income and make results consistent between years. Letter B, gains and losses are shown separately. Letter C, accounting entities give similar events the same accounting treatment each period. And letter D, expenditures are reported as expenses. So, ang answer ay letter C. Accounting entities give similar events the same accounting treatment each period. When information about two different entities engaged in the same industry has been prepared and presented in similar manner, the information exhibits the enhancing qualitative characteristics of letter A, relevance, letter B, faithful representation, letter C, consistency, and letter D, comparability. Ang answer, letter D, comparability. The characteristic that is demonstrated when a high degree of consensus can be secured among independent measurers using the same measurement method is letter A, relevance, letter B, understandability, letter C, verifiability, letter D, neutrality. So, ang answer ay letter C, verifiability. Sabi nga natin dun sa definition niya, verifiability means the different knowledgeable and independent observers could reach consensus, although not necessarily complete agreement that a particular depiction is a faithful representation. An entity issuing the annual financial reports within 1 month at the end of reporting period is an example of which enhancing quality of accounting information. Letter A, neutrality. Letter B, timeliness. Letter C, predictive value. And letter D, representational faithfulness. So, ang answer ay letter B, timeliness. So, on time, 'di ba? Sabi natin, para mas maging useful yung information, so dapat ay present yung 4 na enhancing qualitative characteristics natin. Yung VCAT, verifiability, comparability, understandability, and timeliness. So, yun yung mga enhancing qualitative characteristics. So, kaya pag dito, tinignan nyo, neutrality, yan ay kasama sa faithful representation, predictive value ay kasama sa relevance, and representational faithfulness, so faithful representation kasama dun sa fundamental qualitative characteristics. So, ang answer ay letter B, timeliness. Allowing entities to estimate rather than physically count inventory at an interim period is an example of a trade-off between letter A, verifiability and comparability, letter B, timeliness and comparability, letter C, timeliness and verifiability, and letter D, neutrality and consistency. So, ano yung answer dyan? So, letter C, timeliness and verifiability. Yan yung common trade-off pagdating sa accounting and inventory management. So, pag kasi sinabi nating timeliness, so sabi natin yung mga entities kailangan mag-report ng financial information quickly, di ba? To support decision making and meet reporting deadlines. So, physically counting inventory takes time, which can delay reporting. Pag sinabi naman natin verifiability, yung physical counts natin magpo-provide ng accurate and reliable data, ensuring that reports reflect the actual stock levels ng inventory natin. However, counting inventory frequently can be costly and time-consuming. So, para mabalanse daw yan, companies may use estimates instead of physical counts during interim periods. So, kaya ang answer ay timeliness and verifiability. Which statement is true in relation to the enhancing qualitative characteristics of understandability? Letter A, users have a reasonable knowledge of business and economic activities and review the information with reasonable diligence. Letter B, users are expected to have significant business knowledge. Letter C, financial statements shall exclude complex matters. And letter D, financial statements shall be free from material error. So, ang answer ay letter A. So, ito yung true about dun sa ating enhancing qualitative characteristics na understandability. Users have a reasonable knowledge of business and economic entities and review the information with reasonable diligence. The conceptual framework mentions one constraint on useful financial reporting. Which is it? Letter A, conservation. Letter B, cost. Letter C, prudence. And letter D, going concern. So, ang answer ay letter B, cost. Conservatism is selecting an accounting alternative that letter A, understates assets and net income. Letter B, has the least favorable impact on equity. Letter C, overstates liabilities. Letter D is least likely to mislead users of financial information. So, anong answer dyan? So, yung answer ay letter B, has the least favorable impact on equity. So, pwede kayong malito, baka maisip nyo, ay letter A ma'am, understates assets and net income. Or kaya pwede rin yung letter C, di ba, overstates liabilities. But yan ay prudence, di ba? Sabi natin yung prudence is the exercise of care and caution when dealing with the uncertainties in the measurement process such that assets or income are not overstated and liabilities or expenses are not understated. Okay? So, but yung conservatism kasi ay synonymous dun sa prudence. Ang conservatism means that when alternative exists, the alternative which has the least effect on equity should be chosen. Kaya answer, letter B, has the least favorable impact on equity. An item would be considered material when, letter A, the expected benefits exceed additional costs. Letter B, the impact on earnings is greater than 10%. Letter C, the standard definition of materiality is met. And letter D, the omission or misstatement would make a difference to the primary users. So, ang answer is letter D. The omission or misstatement would make a difference to the primary users. Fundamental qualitative characteristics are A. Relevance and faithful representation. Letter B. Relevance, faithful representation, and materiality. Letter C. Relevance and reliability. Letter D. Faithful representation and materiality. So, yung answer ay letter A. Relevance and faithful representation. So, yung letter B, mali. Hindi ka nakasama yung materiality kasi ang materiality ay sub-quality ng relevance. Yung reliability naman ay hindi rin nakasama sa qualitative characteristics. Sa dati yan, kasama yan sa 4, no? Yung luma, qualitative characteristics. But ngayon ay hinati na sa 2, fundamental and enhancing qualitative characteristics. And yung letter D naman, so tama ang faithful representation but mali naman yung materiality. So kaya ang answer ay letter A. Information about different companies and about different periods of the same company can be prepared and presented in a similar manner. Comparability and consistency are related to which of these objectives? So, letter A, yung comparability sa companies and yung consistency sa companies. Letter B, comparability companies, periods, consistency. Letter C, comparability periods and yung consistency companies. And letter D, periods yung comparability and consistency yung periods. So, ang answer ay letter B. So, yung comparability yung mga companies and yung consistency yung periods.